Even people that help me make that mistake, and sometimes I wonder why the headrest looks so big. Because they stretch. Okay guys, now we're gonna do the headrest. We are doing only 2 rows. This Lexus normally has 3 in the rear in the second row and 2 in the front. This one is missing 1, so we're only gonna do 4. We're gonna remove the covers, guys, and there is an easy way to do this, so we don't save any of this because it's very old. We just gonna cut them off. I'm not a friend of the blade, guys. Stay away from the blade. It's very dangerous. A lot of people use it to cut the covers. They go through the bone and everything. The blade is a serious thing. It seems a little easy with it, but it's a big risk. Stay away from the blade. Use scissors, more safe. That's 2 more to go. Adjustable, yeah, these are adjustable but not removable. Okay, no problem, no problem. Seems like we're gonna need this, and we need nylon. This is to make our installation more simple, guys. There is a vacuum system that makes this really very simple. I still refusing to use it because you guys don't have one. If you are the one gonna do this yourself, I don't want you to buy such equipment for a one time that you're gonna be doing this. I don't think so. So that's why I do it the way that you will be doing it without that little gadget. It helps, yes, but it's not indispensable, and I'm gonna show you how. The technique is simple, guys. We're gonna put the foam inside the cover, but we don't stretch the cover over the headrest. We squish the foam inside the headrest, which is a different approach. And a lot of even people that help me make that mistake, and sometimes I wonder why the headrest looks so big. Because they stretch the cover and it doesn't go back. So that's the reason why we squish the cover. Let's see here. Yeah, it's compressible, and we put it inside the headrest. I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna start with the rear ones, guys. And again, you have to assess which one is the front, which one is the rear. And the front is the one that is flat. The one with the curves or the holes is always the rear. So based on that, I'm gonna get our cover ready. I'm gonna get our phone, and we're gonna get our phone inside the headrest, not the cover over the phone. Like this. Now that we are in this point, so we cut the exits. And if you know someone knows a better way, let me know. I think this is very practical. No need for a gadget. Very simple process. Especially in headrests like this that are soft. When you have a headrest that is too stiff with a high density foam, that's a different story. And again, this system, guys, I don't like this system. It's very flimsy. I kinda not my favorite because it doesn't get right in there. There it is. It's just, I don't like this system, but that's the way they build them. Sometimes doesn't work. That's what it is. And there you have it, guys. I'm gonna do the same with the other three, but that's how you do your headrests. Because this video is getting very long. I mean, the whole sequence is becoming very long. That's your headrest, guys. 3 more to go. I'll see you in the next video. Have questions, please put it in the comment. I like to help you.